Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating momentum. Open your terminal and run Flutter Create My App. This scaffolds an app with main. Dart. Once done, open the folder in your IDE and make sure the Flutter SDK is on your path. Connect or emulate a device, then run Flutter devices to confirm connectivity. Next, launch Flutter Run so you see the starter app live. This confirms tooling and runtime. You'll now edit lib/main. Dart, because immediate changes speed learning and prevent context loss. You now implement UI and state. Pick stateless widget for fixed layout and stateful widget when local state changes. Once you add state, use set state for simple updates or integrate provider or riverpod when state spans screens. This keeps your logic decoupled and testable. While coding, rely on hot reload to iterate on UI instantly, and use hot restart only when changing main or global state. Also structure widgets small. This makes debugging clearer and performance predictable as you finish by testing, optimizing, and packaging. Write unit tests for logic and widget tests for UI, then run Flutter test and Flutter analyze to catch issues early. Once green, bump version and app ID, configure signing for Android and iOS, then run Flutter build app or Flutter build IPA for releases. Make sure to run pubget and optimize assets and obfuscation as needed. If something breaks, check Flutter Doctor, run Flutter clean, then Flutter pubget. This often resolves build and dependency issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.